way. Coming around. I think it's a local. Might be a local. Is that a local? Oh my gosh, it's a local. Oh boy. Ooh, I saw a train or something. There it is. Oh no, it's not a local. Now he's releasing brakes. We got a bunch of stuff right here. Looks like it's ethanol. Ethanol. We got ethanol, some mixture. He's going slow though. He's going real slow. Is he slowing down? I wonder if he's slowing down. Rolling right there. Oh, not train. Car. Canadian Pacific! Yo! Looks like he's picking up speed. And there's the end of the train. Coming up.